In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable recurring split payments on Whop. We'll walk through setting up a product so it charges customers on a repeating schedule while automatically honoring your existing revenue splits on every renewal. Start by signing into Whop and selecting your business from the left sidebar to open its workspace. Head to your dashboard, then click Products in the left menu. This is your control center for how each product is packaged, priced, and presented at checkout. Find the product you want to update and open it. Inside the product, go to the pricing section. This is where you decide how customers get access and how they'll be billed. Change the access type to paid access. Then switch the payment option to recurring. That change converts a one-time purchase into a subscription. If you already use revenue splits on Whop, this ensures they don't just apply to the first payment. Those same rules will be automatically repeated on every renewal. Enter the price you want customers to pay, then choose the billing interval that fits your offer. Monthly is common for memberships or ongoing services, but use the cadence that matches your product. Select the correct currency so the price displays exactly as intended at checkout. Take a moment to review these details. Clear, consistent pricing helps reduce checkout friction and cuts down on refund requests. When everything looks right, click Save Product. Saving pushes these changes live immediately. From this point forward, new customers will be billed on your recurring schedule, and your split settings will be applied to each charge without extra work. A quick note on splits. If you already share revenue with a co-owner, contractor, or partner, you don't need to change anything else in this screen. Recurring simply repeats the same split every cycle. Just make sure your payout account and collaborator permissions are correct in your business settings before turning on paid recurring access. If you offer trials or discounts, verify they align with the recurring price you've set. Finally, preview the product page to confirm the price, interval,